My name is Aya, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make two different types of Apollonian gaskets. And in case you don't know what an Apollonian gasket is, it's a fractal. And a fractal is a pattern that repeats itself an infinite amount of times. It starts out with one big shape, and that shape is repeated on itself, except this time it's smaller. So the shape goes through a scaling transformation. And so the first Apollonian gasket I'm going to show you is the simple one. So you start out with a shape other than a circle, and then you put a circle in it, and making sure that the circle is adjacent to, or basically touching, the sides of the triangle. And then you do a scaling transformation on that circle to make it smaller, and put the circles here, here, and here where there's spaces. And again, making sure they're touching all the sides, the two sides of the triangle and the one side of the circle. And then you put these circles through a scaling transformation to get these small circles. And you just do the same thing that you did with these circles and this circle. And then you can do this how many times you want. It goes on infinitely, so you can do this, like, you can start it and then have your children pick it up, and then it'll just go on and on and on. But whenever you want to stop, then if you choose to, you can color it. And here is one I did. And as you can see, since I had time, I went a little further, and inside the big circle right here, I split it into sections, and did the same process in those sections. But you don't have to do that for this simple Apollonian gasket. And now I'm going to show you how to make the advanced Apollonian gasket. So this time you start out with a circle, and then you do a scaling transformation on that circle to make it a little bit smaller, and put it right here, and then do a scaling transformation again to make that circle just a little bit smaller, so you can put it right here. And then you do so for this one, only this part, and this part are like all touching each other, kind of. And then you do a scaling transformation on this circle to make it smaller, so that you can put the smaller version of the circle right here and here, which is touching the side of the first big circle, the sides, and the side of the second and third circle. Same thing over here. And then you do a scaling transformation on these circles to make them even smaller, and put them in the gaps that are left. And you, just like the other Apollonian gasket, you keep doing this and doing this and doing this until you want to stop. Like I said, it can go on forever. It's infinite. So, and once you get to a point where you think you're good, or you're done with it, then you can color it if you want to. And this is my finished project here. I did 3 circles, and just like the last one, I had a little extra time, so I put some lines in here and did a Apollonian gasket inside the 3 circles that made my larger Apollonian gasket. And that's it. Thanks for watching.